Hello, everyone. My name is Rachel, and welcome to this course. A little bit about me. I am currently an open education resource librarian at West Hills Community College in Coalinga. It's a very small rural community college. Aside from OERs, I do teach information literacy when invited in by faculty. Combating misinformation with critical thinking skills is one of my favorite services that I feel the library provides. I am a crazy dog lady, and I like to treat my dogs like children. And the one other fun fact about me is that I was a professional artist for 15 years before going to library school. So to this day, I love painting, but I prefer to give my paintings away. I don't like selling them as much. I much prefer to paint whatever I want and then give it away. So a little bit about this class. This class is built for faculty who want to switch to OER resources, but maybe they're having some hesitancies or they're coming up against some barriers and they want some help overcoming these things. They need it broken down into bite-sized pieces. OER textbooks, as we know, are a great way to close achievement gaps and work towards equitable learning for all students. And I'm excited for all of you to take this journey with me.